What's up, everybody? So this morning, I'm gonna be doing the intro because Zay's inside. He's still getting ready to go. I got all my stuff out here. The current time's about 5:20 a.m. in the morning. We're getting out there bright and early today, and we're gonna go catch some steelhead. What's up, everybody? We are riding through an undisclosed neighborhood, and we're on the way to the fishing spot. And you know what they say about the early bird? The early bird catches the worm. In this case, we're the early bird, and we're gonna be catching some fucking fish. All right. What's up, everybody? We accidentally came to the river a little bit too early this morning because we were too prepared. Something that's never happened before, I don't think. And now we gotta wait till we can fish because we can't see and the fish can't see us.
Alrighty, folks, we've waited about 20 minutes. It's finally starting to get light out here at the river. We got Lucas working on his fly rod rig a little bit, and we're gonna get to fishing very soon here.
I'm about to catch a fish. Put that in the video, right? My ring before I catch it.
We're both gonna do our first cast of the morning.
First cast of the morning, about 27.
Watch, they kept like ticking, like something was eating it. Oh, that's so pretty.
We can't keep it. I think we should let it go then.
We might have to keep it because it swallowed it, but let's check it out first before we make a decision. Oh no, I think we can let it go.
Oh
Here,
my God, that's such a beautiful fish.
Can you get your little pliers?
Yeah.
But here, wait, let me get it. Let me get a glamour shot. Oh my God. That one. All right, fish. Lucas, fish. Oh, that was nice. Oh, that's another super pretty one. Alright, folks, this is the beautiful fish we caught. Little fall steelhead. Got those white tips, super pretty. Just waiting in for it. Alrighty, folks, it's me, Zayfish, checking back in. This is gonna be my main for the day. I have Lucas's SLX bait caster on one of my ultralight spinning rods. And then for the rig, I have a bobber with a little slip float with a pencil weight, and I have a soft bead to a little barbless hook. And we're gonna grab out a nice juicy night crawler, cut that in half, and put that on the hook below the bead. Let's go. Lucas has a nice fall steelhead on. Oh, dude!
Oh my gosh, bro.
Dude,
that's a nice steelhead. Oh my gosh.
Hatchery too.
Oh my
Holy
gosh.
shit. For fall, you guys, that's a big steelhead.
Oh my gosh.
Wait, I'm filming it.
That's not
Look at it, I got hooked right in the nose.
Keep him in the water. Okay, I think I'd like to release it.
Yeah, I'll let you grab it.
Beautiful, beautiful fish. Oh my god.
Film it again. Don't fucking let him go. Bro, you know how to hold a fish, bro. right, folks, we've been working hard. We're at a pretty nice little spot here. Look at that. That is a beautiful wild rainbow. Oh, that is pretty.
Awesome.
You want to release it? Yeah, get it. It's a rainbow. Yeah.
There goes right around. That's a little thing. I bet I can.